Good morning and happy Wednesday. I just wanted to do a quick video regarding HINF 632 Politics and Policies, um, and just kind of update everybody on the class. So what I did is I um, did upload the PowerPoint presentation that would have taken place in class this week. I do apologize having the need to cancel class. I had a family emergency, so that's why I had to cancel class for this week. But what I did do is I uploaded a PowerPoint presentation that you'll see here under Module 2 regarding the CURES Act, which is in relation to your writing assignment for this week. And I also uploaded an additional resource. I'll just show you those right now where you can find them. So under the class PowerPoint section, you will find here is the PowerPoint presentation that you can refer to. And then go back, and underneath that, under Module 2, is an additional resource, which is a journal article that is related to the CURES Act as well, that you can use as a reference if you would like to for your writing assignment. We will not be meeting this week for class, so we will not be meeting tomorrow to make up for yesterday. A reminder, we will not have class next Tuesday. So the next time that we will be meeting will be on March 23rd, which is next Thursday. And I had mentioned that on the first day of class that we'll be meeting on that Thursday instead of Tuesday. So just keep that in mind. We're not meeting on the 21st. We are meeting on the 23rd instead. So we're meeting Thursday of next week for our next in-person class. So if you have questions about that, please reach out to me. I know that we missed the discussion forum for this week. If you do it on your own, that's fine, but we will also discuss it in class next week. There are actually two discussion forums. We've got the HIPAA discussion forum and then also the HITECH Act. Again, if you do it on your own, that's fine, but we will also have a discussion in class to go along with our Module 3, and then we'll also use some class time if we have extra time at the end to get into our groups and work on the group project. You are more than welcome to get together on your own time and work in your groups. Schedule a Zoom meeting if you need to work in your groups. You are also welcome to come to class or come to campus on Tuesday at our regularly scheduled class time to work on your group projects. I will not be on campus, but there will be somebody here that can open up the classroom if you need it opened. So again, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Otherwise, again, the next time that we all meet in class is Thursday, March 23rd. So if you have questions, please reach out to me. Otherwise, I will see you all next Thursday, March 23rd. Thanks and have a great day.